What's up guys, it's Kat here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do another drag makeup look right here. I'm going to show you a tutorial. This was inspired by Keilidh, one of my favorite makeup artists on Instagram. She was inspired by a drag artist named Goth Make on Instagram as well. So yeah, I'm very excited to show you guys how I transform myself. And right now, medyo nabibigatan ako sa wig ko behind kasi yung wig na gamit ko may bangs siya. And hindi kasi siya babagay sa look na to. So, might as well like use it as an extensions para makapal siyang tignan. So, para siyang Hermione Granger, diba? Before we move on to the tutorial, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also guys, come and follow me on my Instagram account where you see content that I won't be posting here on YouTube. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video.
Maybe I am too straightforward person, and you can tell it's crossing the line. Crossing the line. Do your thing and don't mind my thing. Take the real thing in your story, please. Pardon me. I gotta say before you take my words so deep or easy, I know you're not happy by me being cheesy. So pardon me, 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 I don't care about good or bad. Even if they ask, I still don't wanna add. Don't wanna add. You could be sad about it, but I can live without it. Too sad that you don't.
So to finish off the eye makeup, I'm going to apply an eyeliner. So with that, I'm going to be using the CLISSORA Cosmetics Get Wing Liner. Use my code KATXGW50 to get 50 pesos off on your purchase on CLISSORA.com. So I'm going to start with my right thumb, with my right eye. There. And then I'm going to use the pen side. I'm not going for like sobrang thick na wing liner. I'm just going for like a thin wing liner. So this would be my guide. Right there. Okay, so I'm going to add liner on my inner corner. As much as I want to use the CLISSORA, thick kasi yung pen niya, and then medyo nanginginig kasi yung kamay ko. So I need like sobrang precise or thin yung tip. So I'm gonna be using my favorite minimally eyeliner, waterproof.
So I'm just going to stretch a bit and then let's start.
So I'm going to finish off the rest of my face makeup. So I'm going to bronze up my face using this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm just going to use my angled brush. Again, there's a dog hair. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to be using my favorite blush. This is the Ofra 3D Pyramid Blush. I always use this 3 shades right here and just tapping it on. Ayaw kong gamitin masyadong dark or neon pink. So what I do is, I'm going to start here. Malapit sa bronzer. And just blend it out. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using, again, my favorite. This is the Ofra Cosmetics X Francesca Tolot Collaboration Infinite Palette. This is in the shade 10K. Tinanggal ko lang siya from the palette kasi medyo mabigat kasi yung palette. So I'm going to be taking a flat angled brush or any brush you like to apply a highlighter. But for me, since occupy lahat ng brushes ko, ito yung malinis for highlight. Yeah. So I'm going to start on this area. This is what it looks like. So cool. Ngayon ko lang actually talaga to nagamit, as in. Matagal na to sa akin, like last year pa. I have 4 different shades. Blue, pink, white, or crystal. Then these, para siyang, ano ba to? Amethyst. Yeah, para siyang red violet. Ganyan. So, it's so pretty. Off camera, I added some white dots. If you have gems or parang rhinestones na white, you can apply it sa area ko sa ko nilagay. But if you don't have, use a white face paint or white concealer. I use this Nazaroo one. And then I added some 4 small purple stars in this area. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mixed the red and blue Nazaroo. By the way, bago ko lang bili to. So far, so good. One of my favorite na siya. Bukod this is Tiger face paint. This costs 300 pesos ba? Oo, 299 siya on Lazada sa iFX. Basta lalagay ko na siya sa screen. For gloss, I'm gonna be showing you guys my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is in the shade Glass Slipper, is my favorite, guys. And minsan kasi iba yung applicator na ginagamit ko kasi parang nanghihinayan akong gamitin yung applicator. Sobrang ganda. But today, gagamitin ko siya. I think second time kong gagamitin tong applicator na to. Kasi minsan gumagamit ako ng lip applicator na disposal. But yeah, look at that. If you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click the notification bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys on the next one.
I know you're not happy by me being cheesy, so pardon me.